Hi, this is Andrew McIntyre from the Pix4D training team, and in this video we will download and install Pix4Dsurvey. Pix4Dsurvey bridges the gap between photogrammetry and CAD. It does so by providing access to the original images and the point cloud to vectorize and extract points, polylines, polygons, and catenaries. Additionally, Pix4Dsurvey is optimized for large datasets and allows you to seamlessly import Pix4D Mapper projects or point clouds that were created with other tools, like a laser scanner. First, open a web browser and then navigate to pix4d.com/download/Pix4Dsurvey. Note that Pix4Dsurvey is available for both Mac and Windows. Once the software is downloaded, double-click the installation file and follow the prompts in the Setup wizard to install Pix4Dsurvey. Pix4Dsurvey will launch automatically after you complete the installation. On Pix4Dsurvey's home screen, click Login or Start Trial. Once you have logged in or started your trial, you will have access to the full functionality of Pix4Dsurvey. You're now ready to create a Pix4Dsurvey project. We hope that this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.